What is up, Lobo and Izzy gang? It's been a while since I posted a vlog, but so today we tried to drown my backyard so I can get the grass to strengthen up and keep growing, but with our Arizona heat it doesn't help sometimes, so I have to like really drown the grass with water. But my pup had other plans, so in this cute adorable vlog you're gonna be seeing my dog create chaos with the hose and myself, because I'm trying to water the backyard and drown it. But yeah, you're gonna see him create chaos, but it's cute and just some crazy shenanigans that my dog loves to do. So check this out, guys. And also, you guys are also gonna see, or not see, but hear my fiance's voice in the video, in the vlog, that she likes to mess with me a lot, and also use our boy to mess with me. Yeah, you're also gonna hear that in this vlog too, so enjoy.
Did you get his butthole?
No, I did not get his butthole. I got the side of his butt.
Okay, because his butthole is dripping now.
I got the side of his butt. Near his butthole. It's already wet.
And his front paws. How different from having a German Shepherd that would run away from the hose to one that won't let you hold the hose because he wants all the water.
Oh my god, Arya would be like over there, or over there in the corner shaking. Wow, this one's jumping around, not letting me water properly. I keep getting you, set it. You smell like a wet doggy.
Funny how he stops, like, how to attack. How to attack.
What?
He stops and stares like,
Do I keep attacking or am I too tired?
Are you finding your treats? sprinkled some treats to distract him, but he didn't go for the treats. He prefers the water. Mm-hmm. He just needed a little break, but he has his water container. He's like a little kid. I don't want the water in my sippy cup. I want the water from the hose. Come here. Look at that face. Look at that wet face. Oh yeah, you're wet. Hi fans. This is Lobo. You need to take a break. You taking a break? Here. Take a break. Take a break. I almost fell. There you go. Oi.
Got it?
Mm-hmm. It's just funny when he goes two paws up that it looks like if he was like being a human and like standing in his hind legs. Take a break, papas. Okay. Sit.
We live like in Washington, Oregon.
Mhm.
It always rain like almost every day. He would be getting wet 24/7. I'm here in the grass playing, doing front flips. I was waiting for myself.
You were getting hot too?
Huh?
You were getting hot too?
A little.
He's tilted because he's ready to pounce. No? You get me? Good boy. You need to take a break, Papas. I know your ball is there. And he goes, there it is. There's the ball. I'm giving you the ball. Ah! Yes, I know that's your ball. Go get Mom.
Oh, you did that on purpose.
Why? Why can't I go? Where'd you go? Did it leave? Where is it?
Did you get it or not?
I don't think so. Like I did point over here, but I don't think you can really tell because it's tiny.
It just like came here and it just like soaked its little body.
I did see it. And I tried to point and like record and I stopped recording. What? What?
I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog with me, my boo, and Lobito and his shenanigans against me and the hose while I'm trying to freaking water the backyard. So I hope you guys enjoyed his craziness. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Take care, like and subscribe, and comment down below what you think of the video. See you guys soon. Peace, guys.